Today we're going to talk about the present continuous, I am doing, and the present simple, I do. To see the difference when we use either. First, the structure of the present continuous is verb to be, am, is, are, plus the verb plus ing.
I am doing. He, she, it is doing. You, we, they are doing.
We use the continuous for things happening at or around the time of speaking. The action is not complete. This means we talk about now, the time when we speak. Look at these examples.
The water is boiling. Be careful. Listen to those people. What language are they speaking? Let's go out. It isn't raining now. I'm busy. What are you doing? I'm getting hungry. Let's go and eat. Kate wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian. The population of the world is increasing very fast.
We use the continuous for temporary situations, things that continue for a short time.
I'm living with some friends until I find a place of my own. You're working hard today. Yes, I have a lot to do.
Let's look at the present simple I do. We use the simple for things in general or things that happen repeatedly.
Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Excuse me, do you speak English? It doesn't rain very much in summer. What do you usually do at weekends? I always get hungry in the afternoon. Most people learn to swim when they are children. Every day the population of the world increases by about 200,000 people.
We use the simple for permanent situations, things that continue for a long time.
My parents live in London. They have lived there all their lives. Joe isn't lazy. He works hard most of the time.
I always do, and I'm always doing. I always do something means I do it repeatedly.
I always go to work by car. Not I'm always going.
I'm always doing something means I do it too often or more often than normal. And this expresses annoyance. You are annoyed because something happens all or most of the time. For example,
I've lost my keys again. I'm always losing them.
I'm always losing them means I lose them too often or more often than normal.
Paul is never satisfied. He's always complaining.
It means that he complains too much. You're always looking at your phone. Don't you have anything else to do?